Ever seen someone move so quickly and smoothly that it almost looks effortless? That's the perfect moment to use the word nimble. Let's understand it in a simple and clear way. The word nimble, pronounced nimble, is an adjective. It describes someone or something that is quick, light, and easy in movement or action. A nimble person can move fast and gracefully without any difficulty. In simple terms, if you are fast, flexible, and smart in your actions, you are nimble. Now let's look at some easy synonyms of nimble. Agile, able to move quickly and easily. Quick, fast in action. Spry, active and energetic, especially for older people. Lively, full of energy. And here are some antonyms. Clumsy, moving in an awkward way. Slow, not fast. Stiff, not flexible. Let's understand this with real-life examples. Imagine a young dancer performing on stage. She moves so smoothly and quickly that everyone is amazed. We can say, she is very nimble on her feet. Or think about a cat jumping from one place to another with perfect balance. The cat made a nimble jump onto the wall. Even in daily life, a child quickly solving puzzles or reacting smartly can be described as nimble-minded. So, nimble is not just about physical movement, it can also describe a sharp and quick mind. Now you know how to use this word naturally in conversations. Keep practicing and try using nimble in your daily sentences. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.